Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today is a very exciting day, for Ethereum. So Ethereum ETFs today has officially started trading. This happened a few hours ago, so I do, want to talk a bit about that for today's video, of course. I want to give you guys an update on Bitcoin, the crypto market. There is in fact some Bitcoin charts that I want to show you guys. Bitcoin is on the way to reaching new highs. It really is. So let me just show you guys what is Bitcoin doing right now. So Bitcoin right now, is slightly down compared to where it was yesterday. So you guys can just clearly see Bitcoin is just below $66,000 right now. It's trading at 65,900. So Bitcoin, did slightly drop down. Now I don't know if this is because of the Ethereum ETFs. I really don't know, right? But this is just a slight drop, nothing too crazy, guys. Bitcoin is still holding, very strong. But yes, 65,900, just below $66,000. Yesterday we saw Bitcoin above 66K, so it's slightly down today. Now since the Ethereum, ETFs were approved, and started trading today, a couple of hours ago, you can just clearly see we actually saw not Bitcoin, Ethereum, actually pumping, slightly pumping. I saw it, $3,500 above $3,500. We saw this slight pump from this candle, when it was pretty much trading, but yeah, I can just clearly see after that, we didn't really see huge movements for Ethereum right after it. So Ethereum right now, pretty much still not really moving. Now this is normal, you know what I mean, especially with, for example, the Bitcoin ETFs when they first approved, the Bitcoin ETFs, and the ETF started trading and whatnot, right back, a couple of months back in January, right? So beginning of this year in 2024, when the Bitcoin ETFs were approved and started trading, we didn't see Bitcoin pump straight away, right? It took actually a couple of weeks time. It took like 2 weeks to a month before we actually started seeing Bitcoin pumping. Like, who remembers, right, back in February, right, this year in 2024. February was a amazing month for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was absolutely skyrocketing. It wasn't just Bitcoin as well. It was also altcoins, especially meme coins, right? Meme coins were pumping like crazy. So understand, guys. Understand, with these ETFs being, approved and started trading on the day, we don't expect big pumps. And that's exactly what Ethereum is doing right now, right? We're not seeing huge movements right now for Ethereum, but understand the next potentially few weeks to a month or so, we will start seeing Ethereum pumping like crazy, just like what Bitcoin did with the Bitcoin ETFs, right? So yeah, the market today, you can just clearly see slightly down 0.7%, almost 2%. Global crypto market cap still holding at 2.4 trillion past 24 hours. Bitcoin is down over 2%. And Ethereum is slightly up over 1%. And you guys just clearly see other altcoins today. Majority of altcoins are still down, just like where they were yesterday, right? So the market today is still not really moving. But yes, Ethereum ETFs officially began trading in the US with funds from BlackRock and Grayscale and many more. So this just happened a couple of hours ago. And this is obviously very bullish for Ethereum, and just crypto in general, right? And a lot of people are in fact saying, since the Bitcoin ETFs are now trading and approved, and now Ethereum ETFs are now approved and started trading, the next crypto coin will potentially be Solana. There's a lot of rumors going on right now that Solana is going to be the next crypto coin that's gonna, have a ETF. So that that is potential here. We could potentially see Solana having its ETFs to be approved by the SEC, and of course trading, right? So we will see. It's just rumors, guys. But yeah, this is very, very bullish for, Ethereum, of course. And it just says here, just in within 90 minutes, guys. So just over an hour, okay? The spot Ethereum ETF has already reached a trading volume of over $361 million, close to $400 million, guys. That is absolutely crazy. Okay, that's a lot of money, okay, flowing into these, Ethereum ETFs, right? So that was the first 90 minutes, so just over 1 hour. Okay, but then a few hours later, I want to say about maybe 4 hours, Ethereum ETF trading volume hits $1 billion. That is a lot of money, guys. Okay, so crazy. Okay, the trading volume already for these Ethereum ETFs is now over $1 billion. Absolutely crazy, guys. Okay, but this is a Ethereum chart, and you guys can clearly see, okay, we're gonna see Ethereum soon enough having a rally. Okay, just like what it did back in 2021. Okay, we know we are in fact going to be seeing Ethereum having another rally. I've been telling guys, many times that a lot of these altcoins, including, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, okay, a lot of these altcoins will reach back up to its previous highs and, of course, reach a new high in the next upcoming bull market, right? The next upcoming bull run, because we know a bull run is coming. Yes, we know Bitcoin's going to pump. We know Ethereum's going to pump, right? And many more other altcoins will pump. We know alt season is obviously, right around the corner, especially with these, Ethereum ETFs trading now. Ethereum is easily gonna reach new highs. Okay, like over 10K, 100% that's gonna happen, by the time I want to say next year, 2025, right? Because we know next year, 2025 is gonna be an amazing time for crypto, right? Because that's when we will obviously be in a bull market, right? Bull cycle. So understand, Ethereum is ready to reach over $10,000. Okay, a rally is coming. We know a bull run is coming, guys. So prepare yourselves for that. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Okay, looking pretty good for Ethereum. Now I want to talk about Bitcoin today. So Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin and still holds $640 million worth of Bitcoins. Now that is absolutely amazing, and we know how bullish Elon Musk is with Bitcoin, and not just Bitcoins, also Dogecoin and Ethereum, right? And I'm pretty sure many other crypto coins. But we know how Elon Musk is with Bitcoin. He's obviously very, very bullish. So I don't see why Elon Musk or Tesla would sell their Bitcoins that they're currently holding right now. So it's amazing to see that they're still holding $640 million worth of their Bitcoins. Absolutely amazing. Now Michael Saylor tweeted this out saying Bitcoin is the only way to get ahead, and that's very, very true. Ever since MicroStrategy, okay, started to get into Bitcoin back in August, right, of 2020, you also just clearly see the returns. Okay, clearly the Bitcoin is the clear winner here compared to the S&P 500, Nasdaq, gold, silver, and bonds, right? So all these other assets, okay, are no comparison to Bitcoin. You also just clearly see Bitcoin is up there, 55%, and then next is the S&P 500, 13%, right? And I remember back in those times in 2020 and 2021, people were saying Marco Sello, saying to Saylor that he should buy bonds, gold, and whatnot, but he didn't listen. Okay, he just bought more Bitcoin. He DCA'd into Bitcoin pretty much, and just clearly, you also just clearly see Bitcoin is a clear winner here. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing, guys. Okay, this is why I really do believe Bitcoin is the best asset out there long term to create generational wealth, right? Store value and whatnot. It's the clear winner compared to all these other assets. Okay, all these other assets, they don't move as much as Bitcoin, right? Even though I know Bitcoin is very, very volatile. Okay, it moves up and down a lot. We have a lot of crashes and pumps, but understand long term, it's always going up. Okay, Bitcoin is always reaching new highs. Okay, it's always, um, every 4 years, it's always entering a bull market, okay, a bull run. So understand Bitcoin long term is the way to go for store value and generational wealth, right? But yes, Bitcoin on track of $88,000, guys. Okay, $88,000. Okay, this chart is showing us here that Bitcoin soon enough is going to be reaching back up, over $70,000, back up to its previous all-time highs, above 73K, and is going to be reaching a new price, okay, a new all-time high at $88,000. We know a massive pump is coming. Once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance line, okay, of pretty much its recent all-time highs, once it breaks above that, I think that's when things are going to just really, really kick off. We're going to see Bitcoin reaching 80K, over 80K, 90K, and then eventually 100K, right? And I've been telling guys that I really do see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K towards end of this year in 2024, right? So very, very bullish right now. And we know history is repeating once again. Okay, so every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, guys, right after it, we do in fact see Bitcoin pumping. Every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, right after it, we see Bitcoin pumping. And this chart is just showing us, that every single time, okay, right after we have the Bitcoin halving event, we enter a bull run. So you guys can just clearly see a couple months back, 3 months ago, back in April, right, to be specific, April 20th, that's when we had our fourth Bitcoin halving event. And ever since then, we haven't seen Bitcoin pump, but you can just clearly see in other halving events back in, 2016 and 2020, we didn't see Bitcoin pump straight away right after the Bitcoin halving event. It took a couple weeks time, even a few months time. And that's exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now. You know what I mean? It takes time, guys, but it's coming. A bull run is coming, guys. So understand Bitcoin is ready to reach new highs. And I really do hope you guys watching this video right now are truly prepared for what is truly coming for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's ready to pump. And I feel like not a lot of you guys are prepared for it. So please prepare yourselves, okay, for that. But I want to show you guys this article, okay, that came out back 2021, okay, 2021. And obviously in 2021, that's when we were obviously in a bull run, okay, in a bull market. Bitcoin was absolutely skyrocketing, Ethereum was skyrocketing, a lot of altcoins were skyrocketing. So this article came out in September 2nd of 2021. And it says here, one Bitcoin may be worth $1 billion by 2038. And this is coming from Fidelity, right? So by 2038, guys, $1 billion. I just found this article very, very interesting. I just came across it, okay, and I realized it was back from, 2021. It seems like Fidelity was so bullish on Bitcoin, seeing Bitcoin pump this much in a short amount of time, and they thought they would come out and say that, one Bitcoin will be worth $1 billion. Now, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, guys, I don't think we will ever see Bitcoin at $1 billion. You know what I mean? I mean, maybe like down in the future, you know what I mean? Like long term, maybe over 100 years or something like that. I don't know, but $1 billion, I don't know if that's going to happen. As much as I am very, very bullish on Bitcoin, I don't know if that's actually going to happen. Maybe one day, right? But who knows? Okay, but obviously Bitcoin reaching, millions of dollars per coin, that's very, very possible. Of course, long term, in the next like few years down the road, a couple of decades, I want to say. So that's that, guys. Okay, I just found this article very, very interesting. Okay, and let me know in the comments down below, guys. Do you guys actually think one Bitcoin will be worth $1 billion by 2038? I mean, we'll just have to see. Okay, by that year, 2038. We'll find out. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Very exciting times right now for Ethereum. Okay, the Ethereum ETFs begin trading today, so that's very, very exciting. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have fun, guys.